The rapid increase in the number of cars and the mercilessly congested road safety has turned into a factor of utmost importance for the country's citizens. The paucity of a proper navigation system for a two-wheeler vehicle leaves the driver distracted. Due to the incline in the two-wheeler sales in recent years, has resulted in the increase in traffic congestion leading to increased difficulty in navigating roads. Driving navigation significantly mitigates drivers' anxieties induced due to not knowing or not familiar with routes. It has shown that high stress level of drivers is one of the leading causes of car accident, along with fatigue, intoxication, and aggressive driving. Thus, the need for an efficient system ensuring navigation, discipline, and safety is very clear. Road accidents across India amounted to around 467,000 in 2018. Each year, about 3 to 5% of the GDP of the country was invested in road accidents. About 70% of accidents involved young Indians. The country has only about 1% of the global vehicle population, but it accounted for 6% of the world's road traffic accidents. The brain bucket is designed to ensure a proper navigation, discipline, safety, and recreation. The helmet has a voice assisted navigation system uniquely designed for a two wheeler, ensuring vocal and visual assistance. A specially designed traffic sign detection system will make sure that the driver is aware of his environment. To predict the possibility of any health hazard during the travel, a specially designed IoT system is installed. As an additional feature, the users can connect their mobile to the model through Bluetooth for any recreational purposes like listening to music or podcasts. It is very important that a two-wheeler is recognized on the road during night. A bigger vehicle may easily overlook the small vehicle during night. To avoid accidents of these sorts, the night safety system installed will help the bigger vehicles recognize the two wheelers at night. The 12-volt LED strip connected to the controller will turn itself on when the environment goes below 60 lumens of light, that is, during the evening or a really cloudy day, ensuring safety of the two wheeler driver. As earlier told, the helmet visually perceives the environment. To help the controller perceive this environment, a camera is installed on the helmet in a proper angle to collect visual data. The smart helmet recognizes traffic signs and the recognized protocols are informed vocally to the driver. The navigating paths are also instructed through audio. The microspeakers installed in the helmet inside the helmet provides audio information. Having regular analysis of our health in a basic form is always helpful. The health monitor and health hazard predictor installed collects information through the pulse rate sensor and the temperature sensor attached to the helmet strap. This information is processed to predict any possible health hazard in near future. The immediate accident alert system. In situations where a two-wheeler driver may fall into a pit or may find himself in a place away from the common crowd, it is very important that he or she calls for help. But is it always possible for a physically hurt person to call out loud for help? This accident alert system will raise an alarm to attract immediate help. A force on the helmet. That is, if the person falls down, the buzzer will turn on, attracting people towards the hurt driver. A Python based voice enabled navigation system is programmed to ensure a hassle free travel. An IoT based Android app connected to the helmet will ensure routing services and smart monitoring through visual data. A smart mobile app that connects through Bluetooth and interacts with the IoT devices present on the helmet. This app also provides visual data for the users to track his or her vehicle. This app also pushes notifications regarding prospective health hazards and sends messages to the emergency contacts in case of any possible accidents. An OpenCV model is programmed to the Raspberry Pi to analyze and interpret the environment visually. This model detects the traffic signs and symbols, road lanes, and road boundaries, which are alerted to the driver vocally through the speakers, and the same is displayed on a screen. The smart helmet recognizes traffic signs, and the recognized protocols are informed vocally to the driver. The navigating paths are also instructed through audio. The microspeakers installed in the helmet, inside the helmet, provides audio information. Delivery personnel such as Ola, Uber, and Swiggy highly require this since all their required features would be integrated in our app. Secondly, anyone interested in tech and automobiles can use this device to get insights about their driving. The market for this kind of product is not yet tapped, and playing this to our advantage, we hope to make a move. And the best part about all this would be the cost versus effectiveness model. At mass production, we hope to see the product at a reasonable price of around $150 to $200. We, the team BrainBucket, believe that it's a highly necessary accessory that person or people of our generation must invest in. Our primary aim is to make this available to anyone with a two-wheeler vehicle. Initially, with an alpha test round, we hope to take in customer feedback and work towards it. Raising awareness about their driving skills would help them analyze and change their driving behavior for the better. It's the similar case with the electronic toothbrushes. Initially, it was laughed at, but then guess what happened? The global electronic toothbrush market was valued at $2,200 million in 2016 and is projected to reach $3,700 million by 2023.